There are different kind of major parts which is available inside your smartphone, and it is too much easy and simple to understand about all the major parts which is included inside your smartphone. And if you are trying to learn the mobile repairing, then in that case you have to understand about all the major parts. And this is the part 3 of the mobile repairing. And if you didn't watch all the previous video about the mobile repairing training, which already uploaded inside my YouTube channel, you can check the playlist, and I'm giving you the video link also in my video description. Okay guys, so this is my third episode for the mobile repairing training, and today we'll discuss about the all the major parts of the mobile phones and all the functions about those major parts. Okay, so we will learn the assemble and disassemble also, and it will be very useful for you if you are learning a mobile repairing training. Okay guys, so I'm just using this microphone because I'm just testing, and there is too much noise. So sorry for this one. And according to this noise, so I need to use this one. Okay. Sorry for this one. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon. Okay, so guys, if you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and without any late, let's begin to understand all the major parts in smartphone. So guys, today we are discussing about all the major parts of the smartphone. So if you are learning mobile repairing training, then this video will help you little bit. So now we can see here. So first of all, I will assemble all the things. Okay, and now you can see here. So this is the battery. So this is also one of the important parts of the smartphone. Okay, so using this battery you can do lots of things. Okay, so without battery you cannot imagine the smartphone. Okay, so guys, so you have to charge this battery. So and before also I already uploaded a video related with the battery. And if you don't know the all the types of battery and the battery health, you can watch that video. I'm going to give you the video link in the video description. Okay, so let's open this one, all the things. So today I'll teach you the assembly disassemble of the smartphone also. So for this one you need this kind of screwdriver, and you can remove all the screws. So guys, now you can see here I already removed all the screws from this phone. Okay, so I'll show you all the components which is available inside the smartphone. Okay guys, so first of all I'll show you so now you can see, so this is the display, right? So using these parts you can check all the things. You can use all the operating system, and you can use all the things which is available inside the operating system, right? So this is the Android phone, and using the display you can do you can use all the settings, you can use all the options which will be available inside the operating system. Okay guys, so first of all I'm going to remove this one. Okay, so guys, so now I am disassembling this phone. So first of all you have to open the screw, then after that you can easily reassemble this phone using this kind of opener. Okay, so you can buy this one from the local shop. So in this time I am just disassembling this one. Okay, so just guys wait for a moment. Okay, so here is the one screw still available, so I have to remove this one. So I forgot to open this screw. So before opening the housing, so in that case you have to remove all the screw, otherwise the housing can be broken. So that's why be careful when you are opening the housing. Okay guys, still it is not coming outside. So guys, so this is the disassembling of your smartphone. Okay, so maybe it is not coming outside, still it is not coming out. Yeah, so now it came outside. Okay guys, so after that now you can see here. Okay, so guys, so these are the housing of your mobile phone. Okay, so using this housing, so it will give the different kind of looks. So sometimes the housing can be broken, so that's why be careful when you are disassembling the phone. Okay, so this is the back cover. Okay guys, so now you can see here, so this is the PCB board. Okay, so now you can see, so these all are the PCB board. So inside the PCB board you can find all the components. Now, for example, there will be different kind of capacitor, there will be different kind of transistor. Okay, so there will be different kind of wheels also available, different kind of small components also available. Okay guys, so now we can see here. So first of all, so let's start from the charging connector. So this is the charging connector. Okay guys, so now you can see here, so this is the charging connector. So using this charging connector you can charge your battery. Okay, so it will from this one. So this is the input and this is the battery connector. Okay, so this is the charging connector and this is the battery connector. So from this one, so your battery BSI point and all the positive and negative point will be connected like this. Okay guys, so this is the charging connector and this is the battery connector. Okay guys, so this is also one of the amazing thing, just you have to remember. And this is the SIM slot. Okay guys, so it is also known as a SIM connector. So now you can see inside there is maybe 6 pin available. Using those 6 pin you can use a SIM inside your smartphone. And this is the micro SD card connector. So there is totally maybe 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, totally 8 pin available. Okay, so guys, this is one of the amazing thing. Maybe this is also SIM connector, right? Okay, if I use this one, okay, no, this is not the SIM connector maybe. Okay guys, and so now you can see here, so this is the camera. Okay, so this is the rear camera or back camera. Okay, so this is the front camera. So maybe I can open this one also, just wait for a moment. Okay, so first of all I have to be careful when you are opening any kind of your phone. Yeah, now you can see, so this is the front camera. Okay, yeah, this is the front camera, so it is already attached inside your phone. Okay, so this is the back camera. Okay guys, so if I try to open this one, maybe it should come outside, but I think maybe there is also some screws available, so that's why I'm not opening this one right now. Okay, when we are opening this kind of your when you are opening your any kind of PC board, be careful, otherwise it can be damaged. Okay, and it will not work. Okay guys, yeah. Okay, so now you can see here, so there are different kind of components available. So I will show you the back side of my phone also, so just wait for a moment. Okay, so here is also flex, so here is also flex, so maybe it will come outside right now. Yeah guys, so now you can see it is coming outside. Maybe the headphone jack also not coming outside. Okay guys, yeah, like that. Okay, so still there is a flex available right there. Okay guys, so now we can see here, so this is the speaker. Okay, so this is the so there inside any smartphone there will be two types of speaker available. Okay guys, so now we can see, so this there is also another display connector. So now you can see, so here is a display connector. Okay, so using this display connector, so display is getting all the things which can be used. Okay, and guys, now you can see here, so this is the flex of the sim and memory card. So and this is the flex of the speaker. Okay, so this is the different kind of so this is the speaker. Okay, so there will be two types of speaker. So now you can see maybe there will be the another speaker also available. So now you can see it is the microphone. Okay guys, so now you can see this is the microphone, and from here you can, maybe this is the digital microphone. Okay, yeah, this is the digital microphone, and maybe here is the, now you can see this is the ear speaker. In every smartphone there will be two type of speaker. So now you can say this is also speaker, right? So this is ear speaker. Okay, and there will be and this is the ringer speaker. Okay guys, so this is the ear speaker and this is the ringer speaker. The big one is the big one will be always the ringer speaker, and this is the ear speaker, and this is the rear camera, and this is the front camera. Okay guys, okay, so and this is the audio jack. So using the audio jack you can use your headphones. Okay, and okay guys, so this is the volume button. Okay, so from this volume button you can do the volume up and down, and this is the power button. Okay guys, so these all are the components which will be available inside the mobile phone. Okay, so today I told you all the major parts of the smartphone, and I'm going to assemble it again. Okay, so just wait for a moment. When you are inserting the PCB board, always be careful for the flex, otherwise the flex can be break, and to replace this one it will be too much hard. Okay, so that's why be careful when you are inserting the PCB board. Okay, so after putting all the PCB board in the right direction, then just you have to put all the flex like that. Okay, so this flex is not working. What happening here? Maybe it's gone, maybe, so that's why it is not working properly. Okay, just leave that one, and I'm just using this one also, and here also a flex. Okay guys, and here is few mistake maybe, so that's why it is not working. Yeah, like that. So now it is also working. So I already put all the flex. Yeah, so now you can see, so this is the flex for the home button. Okay, so this flex came for the home button. So be careful always when you are opening the PCB board, otherwise the flex can be break and this home button will not work. Okay guys, so I'm going to inserting all the things inside here again. So guys, now you can see finally I assembles my smartphone. Okay, so you can assemble and disassemble like this, and today we discuss about all the major parts which is available inside our smartphone. That's it. Hoping that you get few ideas about the all the major parts which is already included inside our smartphone. So if you have still any kind of confusion about all the major parts and their functions which is already included inside the smartphone, then let me know in the comment sections, and I'll try to give answer of this question. Okay guys, and if you learn something from this video, please share this video to among the people who are trying to learn the major parts of smartphones. Maybe this video will help them, and I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.